today for yet another year. Academic and modern techniques of education in the modern era. Without taking much of your time, I would like to share some important achievements or the glance that we have taken in the previous year. 100% metric result and board examination in Lahore, intermediate board of examination. Number 2, 90% in-house exams result, a special focus on creativity and self-grooming throughout the year, focus on co-curricular activities for self-confidence by launching student council program, house system, CCA program, a healthy creative assembly program. On other hand, well-equipped science and computer labs have been launched in the school, separate boys and girl campuses or the wings you may say, and installation of AC in preschool and is in the plan in the senior section 2 in upcoming summer season. Dear parents, we understand what is best for your child, and nowadays both parents go out and work. So, we do not miss an opportunity to retain you how important it is to spend quality time with your little kids. Without each other's support and cooperation, upbringing of our children will be incomplete. I often say to you people that this is the triangle, and this triangle only completes when parent, teacher, school and the student, all three corners are completed. Definitely you will get the good results. Otherwise, if this triangle is incomplete, it is impossible to get the best result in academic as well as non-academic issues of the school. For whole 14 years, the child day has been divided into 2 portions. Half day in school and half day at home. So these 14 years are very important. I just want to share with you that our directors have often give this example, and I also like this example, and I just want to share that with you, that your kid is having only 5 years, 6 years, 7 years or 8 years in the studies. So, if you are going to put efforts on your kids, that is your right. We are going to put efforts to our kids. Definitely, he will spend 70. You put 0 more with that figure. 70, 70 years, best. 60, 60 years, best. 80, 80 years, best. So, my dears, these kids are little buds. Nourish these kids. Nourish these buds. Without your cooperation, it is impossible. Both home and school must have an environment that provides the children an opportunity to nourish their qualities and talent to be the best holistically groomed human beings, true assets of nature and motherland. My dears, this country, this nation demands. So, demand of this nation says, it cries that we have to put attention towards our kids. It is impossible. अगर हम कहते हैं ना, पेरेंट्स अक्सर मेरे पास आते हैं और कहते हैं कि हम इतने फीस पे कर रहे हैं और स्कूल हमें क्या दे रहे हैं। माय डियर, आज के दिन का सिर्फ मेरा आपके लिए सिर्फ एक पैगाम है कि स्कूल अकेला कुछ नहीं कर सकता। स्कूल का काम है डायरेक्शन देना, स्कूल का काम है आपको एक गाइडलाइन देना। 60% स्कूल्स ड्यूटी बट 40% रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज एट योर शोल्डर्स माय डियर पेरेंट्स। सो क्योंकि इंसान का बच्चा है ना, इंसान 40 इयर्स का भी हो जाए तो उसके वालिदैन की, उसको पेरेंट्स की अटेंशन की, उसकी तवज्जो की ज़रूरत रहती है। 40 साल का हो के भी वो कहता है कि मैं माँ बाप की उंगली पकड़ कर ही चलूँ, क्योंकि इंसान है। So my dears, solely responsibility not depends upon the school's shoulder, it's responsibility that you have to take. And today you have to make the promise with me that you will take this responsibility by yourself along with the help of school. Are you promising? Yes, inshallah. और इंशाल्लाह अगर हम ऐसा करते हैं तो we will get best results. best results without your cooperation are impossible. So dear parents, most importantly I want to thank you all of being such a great help in supporting the children at home to finish their homeworks and the classwork that is missing by the school. मैं आपका बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि आप घर पर बच्चों को तवज्जो देते हैं, कुछ स्कूल का काम जो मिस हो जाता है वो घर पर खुद तवज्जो देकर उसको क्लास वर्क एज अ होमवर्क कंप्लीट करवाते हैं. मेरे को आई एम वेरी मच थैंकफुल टू यू फ्रॉम द कोर ऑफ माई हार्ट. I cannot end without adding a vote of thanks to all the teachers who have burned the candle at both ends and brought this fabulous event together for us, all of us. My dear parents, ये प्रोग्राम जो आपके सामने आज पेश किया जाएगा खूबसूरत, इंतहा से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत प्रोग्राम है. योर कोऑपरेशन वंस अगेन विल बी रिक्वायर्ड. मेरी टीचर्स ने, मेरे छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने इस पर बहुत मेहनत की है, इतनी मेहनत की है कि स्टडीज़ को डिस्टर्ब किए बगैर हमने एक ज़ीरो पीरियड लॉन्च किया और उस ज़ीरो पीरियड में हमने तमाम टीचर्स ने अपनी अनथक मेहनत, इंतहा से ज़्यादा मेहनत करके इस प्रोग्राम को आप तक पहुँचाया. इतनी शदीद गर्म मौसम में we decided first कि हम स्कूल में ही कर लेते हैं ये प्रोग्राम, but last year we done this at school, but this year we decided that must be on the vast level. So मेरे टीचर्स ने, मेरे छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने इस पर बहुत मेहनत की है. आपकी अप्रिसिएशन और आपकी तालियां इन बच्चों की हौसला अफजाई एंड इनकरेजमेंट के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होगी. All the parents who are the part of Humage's efforts and the parents who have helped us during the preparation, it has been a pleasure to be associated with all the parents who are people from the various walks of life who have added great valuable attention towards the institution. We can proudly say that we have the best set of our parents, best set of our kids and best set of the school administration. Our children have been preparing for the day forever a month now. पूरा महीना हो गया बच्चों को ये preparations करते हुए. They have been juggling between classes and preparation just like a juggler. Juggler होता है मदारीगर. इन बच्चों ने एक मदारीगर की तरह स्कूल की क्लासेस और प्रोग्राम की तैयारी में एक महीना स्पेंड किया है और आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ देम. दे हैव सक्सेसफुली डन दिस एंड टुडे यू विल सी कि हमारे बच्चों ने कितनी मेहनत की और आज आपके सामने पेश किया. इनफैक्ट an hour or zero period was allocated for that. I thank you all the parents for helping us and supporting us all the time. Without your support, it was impossible. You gave them the costumes, you gave them the best lunch boxes along. I often switch on the Saturdays for the rehearsals and you gave the full cooperation and full time you were involved with us. Without your cooperation, definitely it was impossible. And at the end, a huge round of applause for all of us, a huge round of applause for all of us. That you gave us your full cooperation. I am very happy today. Our hall is full of audience. My parents are sitting with bright faces. मैं आज बहुत खुश हूँ कि आज तमाम पेरेंट्स तकरीबन आए हैं और उन्होंने इस प्रोग्राम को आकर रौनक बख्शी है. हुर्रा फॉर ऑल, हुर्रा for all the efforts. Really thankful to my beloved parents from the bottom of my heart. But you know, for you, my heart doesn't have bottom. Thank you.